Hunter tree trader, charts lit, wrist tight, inside bars only. Let's work.
I'm trading in the pies, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk a fine, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Wake up pre-market, NY session on. Levels from the overnight, buyers ready drawn. Inside bar forming, volume going quiet. That's the market talking, telling me be patient. Ain't Q moving fast, ES play it smooth. YM respect the highs, let the candle choose. Prop firm rules, yeah, we play it right. One trade a day, still we done by noon. No gambling, this chestnut dice. RR clean, that's the pine tree life. They chasing candles, I'm chilling in the zone, waiting on the break, then I'm gone. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk to find, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Yeah, funded to live, that's a different feel. Trade, they take profit, apex on the deal. Evaluation passed, now it's payout talk. While they blowing accounts, we taking walks. Inside bar at key high, that's pressure building. Yeah, break off the range, yeah, that's conviction. Yeah, no indicators cluttering my sight. Just price action, structure candlelight. Chat yelling long, I mute that noise. Market don't care about opinions, boy. One clean setup, that's all I need. Small losses, big wins, consistency. Slow grind, fast life. Charts don't lie, cut losses quick, let winners ride. Funded accounts, yeah, that's the plan. Side bar break, executed. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund a dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. Pine tree trader, yeah, we build on rules. Price action only, that's the tool. From sin to payout, yeah, we stay clean. Inside the pines, that's the thing.
What's happening? What's up? What's up? What's up? All right, let's go. Tony Gold, what is going on? Lay, Corey 2S, Jonathan. Let's get those inside buys. 5 likes, let's go. 5 likes. Yes, guys, smash the like button. There is no messing around today. I got some accounts to give away. We got to get those likes up way up, though. I begged and pleaded for some accounts. I see all the other influencers getting all these accounts, and I said, why not me? Why not me? So I had to get on the old email and say, the old interwebs, and say, hey, let's go. My pine cones want some accounts too. It's Mo Bro, Minwoo, what's up? Minwoo yo, Minwoo yo, woo yo. What's up? What's up? Zero in the house. J-Man's, Miss K, what's up? Corey 2S, dump it. Lost Penny, what is going on? Consolidated for 2 days, I know. I mean, I would argue we consolidated for even longer. I mean, looking at these dailies, I mean, holy cow. Just ugly right on that 25,000 zone, so. Excuse me. Zest for a living, what's up? Design, John buys distressed real estate, real robot. What's up, Jay Styles in the house? Jeannie, what's up? Are we the pine cones? Yes, that's right, my pine cones. Sparta. Yeah, guys, so I have My Funded Future Rapid accounts to give away. Very exciting, right? Here's the deal, though. Please use my code PINE with My Funded Futures, right? Here's the promo. So today was a pretty good day. My Apex accounts are looking good, guys. I might be able to, I can actually request a payout. I'm just debating. I don't know if I should build up with some buffer. Here's the promo right now. My Funded Futures, $97 off. $97 for Rapid Plan, $38, 38% off, down from $157. No activation fees. You can pass in 2 days. The other nice thing, guys, is that once you can actually pass the account and activate it the same day. So there's only 2 users per customer. So please use my code PINE, 90-10 split, daily payouts. So great little promo, actually. It's actually a pretty good deal. But you can essentially get paid in 2 days, really. Or 3. You can qualify for a payout in 2 days. Because they have the instant activations just like Lucid does. So anyways, yeah, so I got some My Funded Future Rapid accounts to give away tonight. I swear I'm still dehydrated. I'm fasting. We got Design in the house. What is up? Nate. Lost 50% on the accounts during Asia last night. Put it away. Got it back in 15 minutes during New York. Exactly, Nate. That's always the way. Like, if you get down during Globex on your accounts, it's best just to try to hold off, not try to make it back that night, because it can be very difficult if you're not getting the market movement, right? You're going to get the volatility there in New York, so much easier to bring it back. Sandy, what's up? J-Man. Does TPT do intraday like My Funded Futures? Yes. Yeah. Only been using the Lucid Flex. Another great account. I'm going to be giving away some of those too in a later date, I hope. I requested some, so I hope. Indian Burn, Ryan Wiggins. Amid. I passed a TPT account. How do you think is the best way to pass the buffer? Trailing your stop. So kind of no matter like what kind of strategy you do, but like scalping. So scalping and trailing your stop is the best way. So besides that, just keep trading the edge that you use to pass the accounts, right? You know, so whatever edge you took and used, just try that and see if you can get it over the buffer. But yeah, that's the best way. You don't want to let a big win come back against you, because then you're just losing intraday trailing. Wow, very, very tight. So the market's just wound right up here. Look at the hourly here, just gross price action. I don't really know what to expect tonight. We'll try to sling some contracts. If not, we'll give away. We'll do moose races. We'll have some fun, right? We'll have some fun. What? You guys gotta hit that like button. Miss K is gonna be watching. You guys gotta make sure we get to 250 likes. I'm not messing around. Eddie Trader. How was the collab with Luke? I was at a tax point and couldn't watch. It was fun. I mean, it was interesting. I'll fully admit I'm not really good at that stuff. You know, I'm kind of a, I'm kind of a loner. No surprise, and I'm not very social, believe it or not. This is the most I talk ever, and it's to people in the chat. I'm not a very social person, so it was interesting. It was a surprise to me. I didn't know what was going to happen. So during my segment on My Funded Futures this morning, I had Luke, who is one of the top dogs at My Funded Futures, one of the founders of Bonanza. If you guys don't know Bonanza, for stocks and things like that, come on the stream with me and basically to promote this new rapid plan deal promo. So yeah, it was fun. It was fun. I've never met him before, so it was good to meet him. What's the downside to the Lucid Flex? There's no really downsides. I like the Lucid Flex. I think the Lucid Flex is probably one of their best accounts. Let's take a look though. Let's take a look at them Lucid Flex accounts. Love them. So here's the thing. Here's the main difference between a Lucid Pro and a Lucid Flex. The Lucid Pro, you can pass the account in one day. The Lucid Flex, you cannot. So the Lucid Flex is 50% consistency, which is not a big deal, but you know, it is a 50% consistency. The other thing I like about the Lucid Flex is, even though it's 50% consistency, there's no daily loss limit. So for the evals, that's a nice thing, where the Lucid Pro has the daily loss limit. But once you become funded, there's no consistency, right? So there's no consistency. And you can get a payout in 5 days with the Lucid Flex. With a My Funded Futures Rapid account, you can get a payout in 3 days. So you could technically, what's today? Technically today is Thursday, right? So it's Thursday's trading day. Market's gonna open up here in 1 minute, guys. Good luck. So the rapid plan, you can get an account tonight, like right now. You can hit 50%, and then on Friday you could pass the account, activate it, and technically you can make more money on that account if you are lucky enough to qualify for a payout the next day. So by Monday, right, you could actually qualify for a daily payout. Or actually, yeah, you might be able to request at the end of the day, Friday. But yeah, so not too bad on that. My Funded Futures Rapid is 50% consistency, so it's market's open, guys. Good luck. little push down. 50% consistency. So it's the same as the other 50% stuff, really. It's, you know, you can make 1,500 on day one, 1,500 on the next day. Oh, I'll walk to you. What's going on, man? Good to see you. I think I said, what's up, Keegan? What's going on, Keegan? That stream today was like a tornado. It was wild. Yeah, I didn't really know what to expect, you know. Crypto Morty. Who else we got? We got Lewis White. Miss K is counting those likes. I had 30,000 day, risking previous profit. Nice. Lost penny. Call quit with the lockout button. Yeah. Nice trade. Protect the profits. That's the name of the game. Rage GT. Aren't you an immediate winner if you're a North Stars fan? Well, not quite. See, this was a gift, and I tend to wear if anyone gives me any free clothing, I will wear it. So, but my friend would appreciate it, Jonathan, for sure. I'm not that much into hockey, but I mean, if I do root for someone, it's the UMaine Black Bears or the Boston Bruins, right? I'm New England all the way. I'm New England all the way. But I do love this shirt, and I get a lot of compliments on it. People love this shirt, Jonathan. People love it. People, I've gotten more compliments and conversations from this jersey than anything I've ever worn. Like, it's nuts. People are always asking me like, oh, who's the person on the back? And I'm like, I have no idea. But it says Larson on the back. I don't even know if it's, I don't know. Someone gave it to me. Market is getting kaboosh, guys. Getting pushed down. What's up, Sandy in the house? JLB, what's going on? How do you copy trade 5 Lucid accounts and Tradeovate, Amid? I will show you in just a second. I'm starting one. Oh no, Trump's talking. Trump's talking, guys. Damn, Benzinga is big time. Yeah. Yeah, Luke was one of the founders and ended up selling it, I guess, if you Google it. So. I answered first and Luke didn't give you a count, Lewis White? I don't know. Well, here we do moose races, so it's a random number generator in a sense, but we do a moose race. So I don't pick anyone out of the chat. It's just random. Kelly Kaufman. Dan. Ayo, Kato, what's up? Brandon. What's up, Brandon? Trump's all done already? Okay, good. Well, the market's not really liking it. It's getting pushed down right now. Getting caught up in the chat. I'm behind again. Tony Lange, John Walk, DL Smith, NQ Trend Sniper, Crypto, Honest Take, what is up? Cajun, what's happening? Yeah, intraday on Rapid once you get funded. Yep, just like my Take Profit Trader. JLT Trading in the house. Minwoo, we are open for business. Daryl, Nomadic Trades, GT, bought my first 100K Lucid Pro. Wish me luck. I almost mostly bought 50K evals. Good 100K. It's just more drawdown. So you got this, man. You got this. Treat it. Here's your tip. Treat it like a 50K. Treat it like a 50K. And that way, you know, you're not completely over leveraging. You know, just try to keep it treat it like a 50K. That's what I say about like 50Ks too. Like, you know, people are like, oh, I'm used to trading 25Ks. And I'm like, but then they go to a 100K, 50K, 100K, or on 150K. And I say, well, just treat it like a 25K and you'll keep that account much longer and hopefully get it to payout. 100K accounts, what do you usually trade, micro or mini? 100K accounts, I very, very rarely will ever get a 100K account. But for 150Ks and 50Ks, 150Ks on Take Profit Trader Pro, I tend to use minis on my funded and to pass the evals. But to be honest with you, most of these accounts are very, very small to trade anything larger than a micro. But I do trade micros, minis on those accounts. Now on my Apex accounts, the 50K accounts, all I trade is, for the most part, I will say about 95%, I've been using micros. I'm trying, guys. I'm like an addict. I need those minis, but I'm trying. Still getting a bit of the short. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, we are pushing down right at the moment, but every single push down gets popped right back up. We still have this gap down here, 826 to 712. I don't know. I mean, we either come down and retest that and it pops back up, or we flush that, because that was that late afternoon push from the other day. I guess it was from Monday, right? Yeah, from Monday. This was that push. It was the afternoon Trump pump. And basically we've been holding that level. So it's kind of one of those things. Now we broke the first inside bar, or the inside bar on the hourly, and we are pushing down here. First 5-minute ORB is broken to the downside as well. I'm going to show you how to copy trade those accounts in just a second. Someone asked in the chat, I already forgot, but this is how you do it. So I got 2 My Funded Futures accounts. It depends on how many you have, but if you say, let's just say you have 5, you just go to manage groups up here, type in the group name. So for me, it's always use code PINE. This is what you are supposed to type in your group name too, so that way you remember. But yeah, you put in use code PINE or whatever you want. And then, so you have your accounts over here. This is available. You just drag them over. Drag them over. So if you got 5 accounts here, you drag all 5 over, hit save. So you hit save, and now the account group is saved. Then you back out, and you go back up here, and then you click the group name, which is use code PINE, right? So now, whatever's in that group, you have to be on to copy trade them, right? So, all right, so I have 2 My Funded Futures accounts right here, right? So you click on one of those, click on use code PINE. Now, when you go to place a trade, you have to multiply the contracts by how many accounts you have in the group. So let's just say I want to trade 2. Let's just say I want to trade 2 minis per account. So you go 2 minis times 2 accounts, which would be 4, right? So let's just say you had 4 accounts and you want to trade 2 minis, then you would use 8. And when you click to buy, it's gonna put on 2 minis per account. Or in this case, if I was to hit the button, it would be 4 minis per account, because there's 2 times 4, which would be 8. And that's it. That's how you copy trade. Now, you can't use brackets, so you can't use the ATM orders when you're copy trading. So that is the downfall. We are getting kaboosh, guys. 5-minute ORB is tanking. Weber, Florida in the house. JLB. MCL's bullish. Is oil taking off? Yeah, oil's taking off. Nasdaq's crashing. That seems to be the theme at the moment. 172 watching, 61 likes. Yeah, Coach Fred won an account today. Coach Fred won an account on My Funded Future stream. So during my segment with Luke. How about that? That was pretty awesome, huh, Fred? I gave Fred a shout out. I was like, hey, I know Fred. Luke says, is he a good guy? I'm like, I don't know. No, I'm like, he's always in my stream. Been following me for a long time. Well over, I mean, you had to be in the top. I mean, top 100 subscribers. I mean, at least you were probably in the top 10 of people that actually commented on my stream when I was first starting. I can remember a few, but I know Coach Fred was one. Yeah, it was awesome. You won that account. Maybe you can win again. Just gonna buy here. Good luck, Lewis White. Coach Fred says you gotta attend Pine segment during the day. Yeah, 30 minutes. 10 a.m. to 10:30 Eastern time. It's a quick 30 minutes. I'm usually on there by myself, and I'm just slinging some contracts or trying to look for a trade, but... Minwoo, you treated a 50K with 1 micro until I got funded and paid before increasing number of micro. That is awesome. That's great discipline. Treating an eval with 1 micro and a 50K, that is awesome. Do I check inside bars on gold, Pietor? Let's check. This might be an inside bar here, but I do trade inside bars on gold. Right now, Nasdaq's pushing down. I hope it doesn't go fill this gap. I've been trying to catch the short to fill the single prints down through here for like 2 days. Don't go without me. Let's watch this candle here. Now we could just pop right back up. This is where most of the volume is being put in, is right at this 25,000 zone. So every single push down seems to get bought right back up. Kind of the same with the breakouts though. I mean, breakouts have been pushed right back down as well. So go Joom. Yeah. What's up, John? Bear Trader in the house. Team Massive. Sandy. $3,189 days from day one. 81.62 low on Brent. Today I learned my lesson. Tuesday size down. Got a nice $450. I haven't even talked about my accounts yet, but so their end of day. So the rapid accounts, Sparta, the rapid ones. It's the same as Take Profit Trader. It's end of day, and then turn for the eval, and then it turns to intraday during the funded stage. So yeah. If you guys absolutely hate intraday accounts, and you want daily payouts, the pretty much the only option is trade day with their end of day accounts. So trade day. And that's Pine with a capital P if you're picking up any trade day accounts. But that's pretty much the only daily payout end of day accounts. They also have static accounts as well. I need discipline more than money right now. Hey, I like your attitude, man. I mean, that's really, if you're disciplined enough, like the money will just follow, right? If you follow your rules, the money follows. When you lose money and you blow up accounts, you know what you did wrong. You know, you kind of know what you did wrong. So let's look at a tweet I put out. This is the same thought as I had last night. 20 hours ago, I was sitting there. If you guys haven't followed me on Twitter, please give me a follow. So here's my Apex accounts, guys. Actually, I'll give you an updated version because this isn't the updated, but just qualified for another batch of Apex Trader funded accounts. The secret: no home runs, just consistent base hits. It's amazing how fast payouts stack up when you actually follow your rules and stay patient. Rinse and repeat. So when I blow up my account, it has nothing to do with my strategies or anything like that. It's 100% to do with me over leveraging, not staying patient. Let's try for a long for the stream. Oh, can't do that. I'm in group mode. I don't want to be in group mode. Cheap long here. Cheap little long. See if we can get pop back up off that Harami. But man, I don't know. I feel like that market is going to run that gap when we least expect it. It's just going to kaboosh and flush down. But let's see if we can get a little pop back up off that Harami. If this was New York, this would be a great setup. Just risking just a few bucks. Risking 51 bucks on this My Funded Futures eval. Let's see if we can get a little pop. Celebrity Terry Trades 100 in the house. She wants a rapid account. She wants to win one. Matter of fact, I'm going to set that up so that way we can get the exclamation point pine in the chat. But just give me 1 minute. We're also going to do one for members only, guys. We're going to do one for members only. It's been a while since I've done one for members only. But we do giveaways a little bit later in the stream. We try to do some trading, right? This is what we want to do. We want to trade. We want to make some money. We want to talk markets. What's up, Sherry? Share the Twitter. Yeah, I can do that. It's right here. Pine Tree Trader. Let's give I'm gonna give Terry's a plug too. You guys follow Terry on Twitter as well. Terry got a really big following on. There's Terry's link to X as well. Give her a follow. She's got the 6,600 followers on Twitter. Holy cow. I have like 1,200. She's the go to Twitter. Exclamation point pine in the chat. We're going to get 250 likes, guys. Smash that like button. Please share the stream. So if you guys are on Twitter, please share the stream. Let's get more people in here. Let's get the YouTube algorithm up. My viewership has been kind of declining lately, so I want to get that bad boy back up. We used to be at about 300 concurrent viewers, but yeah, I don't know. I don't put enough hair gel in my hair, I guess. I don't know. I don't drink Celsius and put enough hair gel in. Too much yapping, dumb money? Well, I'm in. I'm in a trade. Bye, dumb money. He gone. Poor dumb money could have got a few rapid accounts, but no. He had to be too honest. He's gone. I mean, it is a talking show. I mean, I could just sit here. You want me to just sit here? I felt bad. I unbanned him. I felt bad. I unbanned him. That's a warning, though. That's a warning. He was probably joking. I know he was joking. See, he's already back. I thought you were chill. Yeah, that's what it is. He's a Rips fan. He's a Rips fan. It's okay. All right, we are in a long here. So this is the one trade a day setup. I don't know. I don't really trust it, to be honest with you, but I don't really trust it. I know, dumb money. I know. That's why I unbanned you. I know, buddy. Like 0 Day J says, you got to read the room. How do you register for the drawing? Exclamation point Pine. That's all. That's it. I was just joking too, dumb money. It's all good. How do I register? Oh, I already said I read that. Rapid is fastest to pay out. Yeah. All right, stopped out on that. So quick little stop out. Lost $50. Not a big deal. Looking like it might. Wow, that barely took me out, but looks like we might want to go lower. So a quick little stop here. We got a little inside bar long on gold, but man. Guys, please make it easier on me because I have a lot of giveaways to do over the next few days. If you join my Discord, you don't have to really hang out or buy anything, or it's all free. It's all good. I'll put it in the chat, and it makes it way easier for me to message you if you win. So scalp the oil for $70 on that flash dump. Yeah, let's take a look at oil here. So I think the funny thing is, there's oil. I kind of expect, I mean, where Nasdaq's pushing down and oil's pushing up, this is sort of what I expect. You must follow on YouTube and Twitter, Pine. Yeah, no, I'm a little bit easier, but yeah, it just makes it a little easier if you guys join the Discord. I put the link in the chat right there. Feel free. Can you give me analysis on MCLs outside inside bars in 5 hours ago? Very big outside bar, and then many 5 hour, like, let's take a look. Wow. So I don't really trade them during New York, but during so what we've been observing with inside bars during the Globex session is that they've been working very well. So just during Globex. Now New York, a little bit trickier. So here's the New York session right through here. Looking at, yeah, inside bar is kind of tricky. Outside bar has been paid pretty well today. This one didn't work. This one worked. So basically, if you would have looked long here, you would have got stopped. But yeah, massive volatility. I mean, inside bars do work pretty well, but not great. We found on stream that the inside bars during Globex, so during this session for oil, has worked the best. Same with like Harami candles during New York with Dow. They work really well. You can see right here, this one worked really good. This one worked. This one did not so much. But then as it starts to get in the afternoon chop, I like to stay out of this no matter what. I don't care what market you're trading. From lunchtime on, it's just gross price action. It's usually good for little scalps unless you get, you know, a White House briefing or something where the market's moving 200-300 points. But When you start getting that afternoon chop, if you're a little range trader, some people really excel at that. I tend not to be very good at that, so the inside and outside bars don't work very good. All right, here we go. Why don't I trade smaller contracts? Well, I was in 2 micros, Dan, but yeah. That's just not my setup. My setup is to stop below those candles. So if I present a Harami, that's where my stop goes. Same with the inside bars or outside bars. That's just the way I play it. Now, sometimes what I'll do is that, you know, if I took like an ORB short, my stop would go way up here and risk something like that. So like last night, I was risking like 100 something points with small enough micros. So I do trade like that occasionally, but that's looking for more of an intraday swing or something. Let's take a look at CL. Yeah, CL just popped right off that inside bar, big time. So once again, the theme been working pretty well. I think last night it was like, what was it, 4 out of 5, maybe 4 out of 6 inside bars from the 2-hour stream I was on, where oil works really well. So got to trade it. So it's been hot. We got to trade it. This one didn't work though. So this one didn't work. So this is 1 out of 2, but you would have got all your money back off this one and then some. So if you went for a 1-to-1, you just got it back. This is a 1-to-1 right there. So you would have got all that money back you lost there and then some. You've been in profit. Doesn't always go that way. Sometimes you win on a candle like this and then you lose on a candle like this and then you're negative for the night. So new giveaway rule, I have to like the stream before entering. Oh yeah, you guys gotta have to like the stream. Let's take a look at Nasdaq here. Let's go back to here. Are we still pushing down? Feels like it. Feels like it wants to. Push down into this gap here. Son of a. Might just hop in. Thirsty, guys. I'm thirsty. Ah, man. Don't I hate it when it goes without me and you know where you think it might be going? You just have a suspicion. Has it come down here and just... Come on, let's get a bounce. Let's get a bounce up here to the VWAP. All right, testing that gap. Once again, just like this one did. It's almost like that box I made meant something, but that's just the gap. All right, we're through that previous day low. We're right at that gap, right at that bounce that we ended up covering that short on the other night. All right, bottom of the hour here. Let's see if we can get a little pop up. I'm gonna look to hop in. All right, I'm short. And I'm going to look for a big move here. And I'm also going to add in. I'm also going to add into this trade if it goes against me. Stop's going to be up there, right? And we're going to look for a big swing. 2 micros. I'm going to add single micros as it pushes back up. If it wants to test this VWAP. But I think we could be testing this gap now. So if you look at the hourly chart, we have these single prints. If you look at the 30-minute chart right here, you can see this gap right here. And if you look at a TPO chart, you'll see the single prints. So if you look at the market profile right down and through here, this feels like we're gonna might at least repair some of that stuff, but we could get that pop up, and if so, I'm gonna DCA. That's the game plan tonight. So we come back to the VWAP at 900 or 890s. And I'm going to add into it as well. And if it wants to come back and take me out on today's high, basically, is where my stop is, so be it. Because this is where we tested the other night and it ended up bouncing. But here we go. There's 10 points right now. Looking for a little swing. This market just feels heavy to me. But I could be wrong. Kelly Kaufman, music's banging. Let's go. What are you guys up to tonight? How you guys doing? Apex, yes, guys. I forgot to mention Apex they expanded their sale for one more day. So expanded the sale for one more day. So Apex still right around 90% off. Use code PINE. I appreciate that. So we got some good sales going on for the middle of the, I don't know, there's no holidays or anything really. Well, I guess so we got St. Patrick's Day coming up, I guess. You got another funded with crude only. Did you guys hear Luke asking me about crude oil? Look at that pop off that inside bar on crude. Congratulations, man. Passing crude. So yeah, Luke was asking me about crude when we were streaming. And then he started asking the chat like how people liked it. Yeah, I'm sure they got their eyes on it, right? Because it's the volatility. They wanted to know like how many people passed accounts, how many people have been making money or losing money. Oh, June Day coming June 2nd. Yeah. All right, we got the 302 people watching now. Let's go. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Hey, Red Candle's in the house. What's up? Yeah, I wouldn't reset. Red. Just, it sucks, but starting the process over is much better. And you know, the only reason why I kind of say that is because the pro account is not easy to get to a payout because it's intraday trailing. So and it also depends on the size of the account. So like, let's just say you have 5. If you reset a 50K account for $650, I mean, you can buy what, 5 evals? Take profit trader evals. This is a nice move, guys. 15 points right here. If you're going for the scalp, 15 points. I'm looking for more. Small size. Oh, welcome, Indian Burn. Thank you for becoming a member. Yeah, we will do a members only. Oh, someone else became a member too. I missed it. Oh, Nomadic Trades. Thank you for the membership. Appreciate it. Inside bar short here. Nice. All right, I'm not going to add to this trade anymore. I'm not going to add to it. As far as if it wants to push up. Because we haven't really gotten into any drawdown, and it just wants to keep pushing lower, so. Does anyone have any ideas on where we might go? Some people are much better at looking left than I am. People that look at the lower time frames, the higher time frames. I mean, I think we might push down and fill this gap, or at least some of it, maybe half gap it. So we're into the gap now. Currently up about, well, right around 25 points. Maybe the market finally wants to break out of this nasty range we have. I'm like a savant? No. Just lots of screen time. Yo, there we go. 30 points. 30 points. Keep going. Dump it. Ah, look at that. Nice. Now, panic sellers coming in. First inside bar is paying too, but we were already short. We can tighten up a stop a little bit, right? Let's take off a little bit of risk. Let's be responsible. Keep it about 80 points away. Move it down as we see fit. I'll look for a half gap. You know, the half gap down here. Somewhere in this zone. Let's draw a fib. A happy little fib. That's not a fib. This is a fib. Yeah, somewhere down in here. Woo, no. Let's go. Do we front run this 800 level? 24,800, that whole number. Right at that 820s. Taking off one there. Let's lock in a little profit. Let's lock in a little profit. Let's go. Screen's frozen. I don't know why my chat goes back so much. There we go. Think we're going to go 1,000 points, JLB? It could, right? So, yeah. I mean, that was wild, right? The other day, 1,000 points. I mean, now we got a runner here. We can actually go for it. Let's go for the full gap. Should be right down in this zone. Signing into my other accounts here. Exclamation point pine in the chat will do another giveaway. Uh-oh, design. How long can it go? I know. ORB people are getting paid. If anyone went short at 907 on the 5-minute opening range break, today might be one of those 16% days. So 16% of the time, we never go back and breach the opposite side of the 5-minute ORB. 16% of the time. This might be that 16% day. But this market's wild. It could bounce right here out of nowhere and then go 300 points up, you know. All right, getting a little bounce here at 821. The magical 20s. There it goes. There it goes. Get those panic sells in. Come on, panic sell it. I'm just getting some of my other accounts fired up here. Anyone know why the market's dumping? It's pretty technical, really. I mean, I don't know what Trump said earlier at his little speech, but because we have this gap down here, I actually marked this out days ago. And it looks like we're trying to repair this area. So we had all these single prints on this giant move up from the Monday afternoon. And basically what it is they call this like weak buyers, right? So it's like weak buyers. And so they're coming back and they're just testing this area. So that in my opinion, that's kind of what we're doing. So besides that, it could be just news driven, some sort of catalyst like that where there's news, but really it's just single prints. So we're sitting in pretty good shape right now. Taking one runner off. A giant inside bar in a daily chart. Oh, I actually didn't notice. Oh yeah, there is. That usually doesn't really play too much, but you're right. I mean, the daily is just messy. I would love to see if we break out of this whole mess out of here. Like someone said, we could drop another 1,000 points, which would be down into this wick, this untested daily wick. That'd be interesting. Market's trying to bounce right now. Market's trying to bounce. I don't quite trust it, so I'm just gonna stay in my short. But going left here, we swept that low of that previous bounce right there at 831. That was the other night where we bounced. That was that level. So right now, I was trying to buy, getting a bid right here. The plunge protection team's coming in, guys. The plunge protection team. What's up, Adrian? PPT, that's right. Medine, what's up, Medine? About to give it a short again? Yeah. I don't know. I just have a bias right now. What's up, Digital Nukes? Doing good? That's good. Glad to hear it. Glad to hear it. Yeah, I kind of filled up this little backfilled this gap here. Maybe we come back, push it back up, test that VWAP, but see if we can get the absolute plunge. Can we actually have a nice bear day? That's what I'm hoping for. Guys, let's do a giveaway. Let's do one right now. This won't be the... We'll do more. We'll do more. Oh, let me see. Let me get this fired up here. All right. Let's do the first giveaway here. Closed entries, guys. That's okay. You'll have a chance to get right back into another one. Let's do one right now. Let's not mess around. My Funded Futures Rapid Plan. Use code PINE. You know why I got these accounts? Because you guys use my code on My Funded Futures. They look at affiliates accounts and they say, well, you know, if you're a tiny affiliate, they give you so many accounts. If you're a bigger affiliate, they give you more accounts. So here we are. We got some accounts to give away. So here we go. Let's do a giveaway right now, race. We're still short Nasdaq. Good luck. This is for race number 1. This is for a must be eligible to trade My Funded Futures, and this is for a rapid account, 50K rapid. So here we go. Let's shuffle. Oh, I gotta get my Moose Race hat though. It's Moose Race time, guys. Moose Race time. Let's go. 1 minute. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Futures flow on the outside at FS trade on the outside as well. Strong leaps actually on the inside. Mon Daily on the inside. I see Mon Daily. Who else we got in here? Oh, I see Pegasus flyer up in the middle here. We got a bunch of people in the race tonight, so here we go. Must be, oh, Honest Take. Honest Take fighting for the lead. An OG. Who's it going to be? 16 seconds. 16 seconds. Seven, 5, 4, 3, 2. Who's gonna pull out? Hit the boost. Oh, tight race. Let's see who won. Get in there, Jennifer. Get in there, Jennifer. Congratulations. All right, what's the market doing? Consolidating, putting in the bear flag. Get in there, Jennifer. Congratulations. You must be present. You must be here. Hey, I see Eric Lake in the house. What's up, Eric Lake? Oh, you're fourth? That's so close. We're going to do another giveaway, guys. And we're going to do one for the... we're going to do one for the members, too. You payout approved. Let's go, Eric Lake. How many accounts? Oh, I got a handful, guys. Handful. But tonight we're gonna do a few, and then tomorrow night we're gonna do more. So get in there. Jennifer's not here. Come on. Rerun the race. Yeah, we're gonna have to rerun the race. Yep, let's do it. Reroll, race again. Let's go. Let's do it again. Good luck, everyone. Must be present in a win. Must be eligible to trade my funded futures as well. Come on, Derek's DNA on the inside. We got Scalp a Million. We got Raul Morales up in the middle there, pushing for that lead. 15 seconds. Who's it gonna be? We got all the Mises rubbing the antlers. Nasdaq not wanting to push down anymore. Putting in a big Dimitri Trades. I recognize that name. Dimitri Trades. Congratulations. Yeah, Dimitri Trades. I say I recognize that name. Let's go. Congratulations, Dimitri. Let me write that down. What's the Discord? We right here. Congratulations. Oops. Discord is right there. Discord in the chat. If you guys want to join the Discord, it makes it easy for me to message you if you guys join. But you know, we can do it other ways too if you don't want to. That's perfectly fine. But yeah, Dimitri, what is your Discord handle once you join up? Oh, I see you, Dimitri. I see you. I just sent you a DM, Dimitri. All right, come on, Nasdaq. Flush this pig. Nice bear flag inside bar break here. I'm liking it. All right, there. I love this setup right here. Inside bar, bear flag break. I'm in it. Come on, take out the low. Take out them lows. I'm in short on other accounts too. Gold moving. Let's take a look at gold here real quick. Oh, wow. There goes gold. There goes gold. Ooh, Nasdaq holding this low, 816 for now. Yeah, gold just absolutely got taken out. Let's go, Eric Lake. Got a first payout, $1,750. On top of that, I can get a payout every 10 days. I'm amazing at futures. Let's go, Eric Lake. Good to see you back, bud. All right, I gotta take this hat off for a second. It's getting hot. We'll do another giveaway in a little bit. Guys, smash that like button. We're not done with the giveaways. We're also in a banger trade right here, but man, it is holding that low at 816. Oof, I don't like that. The PPT coming in. That plunge protection team. Look at that bounce. Holding that low, 816. Good top of the hour here in a minute and a half. Big outside bar potential right here. Mo Manny, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Guys, we're going on to almost 7,000 subs. I'm ready to long. Yeah. Well, this might be the sign. It's a pretty bullish candle right here. Is this a bull trap? That is the question. Is this a bull trap? Oof. Wow. I didn't see that. The VWAP, yeah, VWAP test, 863 right here on MNQ. So we're already taking off a runner here. We caught a nice move, but looking for a bigger move, perhaps filling this full gap, but we are getting that relief bounce right now. Does it stand strong? Right now, this outside bar looking pretty good. We get a break above 50s. We might run that VWAP. Get the little VWAP touch. Keeping my stop up there at 905. I'm gonna let it come and get me. This is a little intraday swing. A-Class, thank you for the sub. What about that Harami? Yeah, technically it held. I just was already in the short. But yeah, I know you're right. I mean, this Harami held. Scary, right? But if you look, we never breached that low, so it is actually holding. So the sign is right now is up. But yeah, I just been in short for, I don't know, a good long while now. My bias might get me. Is it gonna flush? I don't know. One tick at the low. I know. Let's take a look at NQ real quick. I'm curious. Yeah, same thing. NQ held that low just by a few ticks. Man, unreal. Still green on the trade right now. Still holding up well. Maybe this is a bull trap. I'd be trapped. If I wasn't already in the short, I'd probably be switching to a long. Guys, I'm down 5 pounds. I'm down 5 pounds. Trying. Pretty much just doing like a one good solid meal a day, and then not snacking and staying away from sugar. That's what I'm trying to do. Staying away from sugar as much as possible. Eating moose, yeah, I wish I had some moose meat. I have some deer venison, but whitetail, but no moose meat, unfortunately. That's the key, yeah. Yeah, the old snacks get me every time. Starting to feel better too. Like, so I definitely notice if I eat something a little crappy, like my body knows it. So because I kind of did a cleanse the other day. I was forced to do a cleanse, right, for my colonoscopy. So after the cleanse, I'm just like, well, you know, now's the time to kind of clean up the diet better, even though I was doing it before. I like to drop about 20 pounds, good solid 20, and keep weight training, because I do a lot of lifting of the weights. I like to pick things up and put them down. Yeah, it is. It's killer. Yeah. Plus, I got that insulin resistance stuff going on, so I need to clean it up. Ice cream isn't my weakness. Oh man, Kelly, I could eat ice cream every day. I hear you. Go carnivore, change your life. Yeah, pretty much. I'm gone pretty much that direction. Not 100%, but yeah, pretty close. Oh man, what is this market doing here? Let's take a look at gold. Gold was really cranking. Gold had a big dump here. Let's look at oil. Nice inside bar break. So here we are with the inside bars. CL. So we've had one. So that's 1 for 1. This one is working pretty well as well. And then we have another one working right now. Does oil get to pop back up? That is the question. I'm still in my Nasdaq short here. Let's do an exclamation point pine in the chat in just a second. Now. Oh, hold on. Now. Getting that beach body ready for summer? Yeah. Yeah, no, that beach body days are gone. Plus, I'm Scottish Irish, so I burn like a lobster. So try a colonic. Oh yeah, I just had one. Pretty much, Cameron. I just had a colonoscopy, so yeah, it was pretty much like a colonic. drink a bottle of Miralax and yeah, you get cleaned right out. Exclamation point pine in the chat. We're doing another giveaway, guys. Yeah, Cameron. Yeah. Nice little reset too. You know, fasting. It feels good. It kind of sucks, right? But it feels good after. Man, we broke this bear flag right here off that inside bar. I thought for sure we were gonna take out that low. We just trapped so many sellers trying to do the same thing. Look, take out that low. I know I'm trapped right now on my other account. I'm down about 10 points with a few micros. Unfortunately. Big move down, we go sideways. Yeah, blackout news. That's the case. I'm still bearish right at the moment, but to be honest with you, the only reason is because of this gap. If it weren't for this gap, looking at the overall price action, I'd probably go long right here. So that's what I'm thinking. We're doing a giveaway bonanza tonight for My Funded Futures Rapid accounts, guys. Please support my channel by using code PINE with My Funded Futures. And also, I got 300 people watching tonight. Where are you guys in the mornings? Come watch me at 10 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow morning for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. And we sling contracts on that show as well. Currently up 30 points on this trade. Looking for a home run with a baby micro. And yeah, Dynamike's there. We see a lot of people. I keep forgetting Real Robot. Set your alarms. My Funded Futures TV in the mornings. Yeah, let's go. Here we go. Come on. Flush that low. No, it's not going to do it again. You pig. You know you got a lot of buyers up here. Come on. Let's run them stops. Sorry if you're long. I got my bear hat on right now. Come on. Yes, that's it. Come on. Woo! All right, I'm out. All right, I made 130 bucks on my Oh, don't tell me the copy trader didn't work. Don't tell me that. Hold on, guys. I gotta take care of something right here. Sorry, guys. I gotta take care of this. This is important. Okay, it worked. My flat, though. My flat on everything. So I went short on my Apex accounts, my copy traded accounts. Copy trader is looking weird. So I gotta make sure it's all good to go. These are my babies. You use TradeSyncer? Yes, I do. Boom. Guys, look at these accounts. Payout City up to $3,000. I wish I would have went in with minis, but man, I took some heat. It started to bounce up here. I was watching. I was down about 180 bucks. So I was watching, and then finally started to flush back down. I had a mental stop right around 250 bucks. I did not want to lose more than that. But yeah, looking pretty good. So these accounts, this is what I did today. I ended up making a few $100 on them as well. And so you can see the balances up here on the PAs. They're all these accounts are now, yeah, all the PAs are now over the payout threshold. Most of these accounts are up to $3,000. So I can take out, what is it? Right around 900, right? So anything over 2,100 for the most part, I can take out. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 G's right there. We'll take out 10,000 out of that, hopefully, or close. And then we get some more. So here's the debate, though. I'm going in my head. Do I just build up a little bit of a buffer and then take the payout? You know, because I want to keep these accounts. These are the legacy accounts. These are the ones I can. Is 2,600? Yeah, maybe 2,600. Let me take a look here. I tend to forget. So let's look. Let's go to my accounts on my active PAs. So before that $100. So here's the active PAs. Let's go down to this is the lead account. So lead account on TradeSyncer is actually more. So I don't know why, it just always happens that way. So here's account 186, and we can go to trading details. So let's look at the trading details real quick. Trading details, the deets look pretty good. I've been trading them for almost a month. and had a few losing days, but overall, no major winning days. $444 was the biggest day I've had. And we go to payout here. So that account right now is at 3,203 before I just took that a trade. So let's request the payout, and it says $1,103. So it's actually $2,100. So it's $2,100 buffer on those old legacy accounts. So we're looking good. Oh, this is cool. It tells you when you're eligible. I did not know this on Apex. It tells you the profit progression, like where you're at. This is nice. Wow. Apex stepping their game up. Yeah, take some of it. Yeah, I agree. So yeah, we're payout ready. Still short. Still short. I ain't leaving. I'm looking for the gap fill now. They can do whatever it wants. Market never goes straight up or down usually. Sometimes it does. Feels like it does. But we're gonna go up and down here. So, but right now we're in the downwards channel. I am still looking for more of this gap fill. So we almost filled half gap. Some would say that we might have filled the full half gap, depending on what you were looking at, but we're getting down there. Take all the money on the table, JLB. You're probably right. 10 G's go a long ways. When to run a giveaway? Let's run it. Want to run another one? Let's run another one. Guys, smash that like button. Thank you for using code PINE. Like I said, you don't use code PINE to help support the channel, and the props, they don't look at you. They say no giveaways. So it's a nice thing. All right. Let's do another moose race. Hope you guys are making money tonight too, because this is been some nice little flush here. All right, closing entries. We will do another giveaway right now. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. What happened there? Oh. Done. All right. Set. Here we go. We're still short Nasdaq as well. Another My Funded Futures Rapid account. Let's shuffle the characters. Shuffle. Over 300 people in this, so let's go. Good luck. Good luck, good luck. Theta Gang trading on the outside. We got Witty in the middle here. Tariffs. I got Tariffs fighting for the lead. Who else we got in here? Future Degen. It's a future Degen in trading. In training. We got Macro Market Maps pushing for that lead. Trader 007 out to an early lead. Will it be enough? You guys got to hit the boost. And just so everyone knows, if you guys are just new to the channel, I do moose races. This is all random. It's a random numbers generator. The boost just helps me in the chat. Godwin. Let's go. Oh, trading accounts. Second place. So close. But Godwin. Congratulations. Congrats, congrats. Let's go, Godwin. Sherry's behind in the chat. She's behind. You gotta fast forward, Sherry. Fast forward. Am I sure I want to be short still? Maybe not. Hey, thank you, A-Team. I appreciate you, man. Let's see. Godwin. If you guys are... Godwin. Godwin, are you in the Discord by chance? If you're not, it's okay. If you're not in the Discord, you can rejoin. Yeah, just let me know what your Discord user handle is, username, and then I can message you. It's just makes it easy. If not, that's perfectly fine. Never mind, don't listen to me. For scalps, blackout news, I'm perfectly fine taking longs and shorts. This could bounce from here. This could be a little exhaustion candle, so we actually could get a little relief bounce. Guys, I want to do another giveaway too in a few more minutes, guys. So let's do it. First of all, smash that like button. Exclamation point pine in the chat. It's for another, guys, thank you so much for using code PINE. If you guys are buying any accounts right now with any of the prop firms, please support my channel. I greatly appreciate it. I try to give back as much as possible. I really do. And so use code PINE. Pretty easy to remember, right? Pine, pine, pine. Especially during December, right? We're going to do another giveaway. And if you haven't followed me on Twitter, give me a follow at Pine Tree Trader. Witty, I like the mooses. Yeah, guys, tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Eastern time on My Funded Futures TV. I want to see some pine trees and some moose. Pine trees and some moose in the chat. I love those emojis. Fiber Splice in the house. What's up, bud? Guys, I'm feeling good. My Apex accounts are looking good. Hopefully, we can get that big payout. Chilling, hitting some oil trades. Yeah, oil's kind of fun, isn't it? Wait, inside bars paying, guys. Inside bars on oil during Globex. Not so much in the afternoons or in New York, but they've been red hot. Now tomorrow they might not be, but these suckers have been paying. Oh, another bear flag here. Break, perhaps. Do we sweep the low? Make another move down? Been in this trade the whole stream. A little boring, right? But good thing we got some counts to give away. Yeah, Godwin, tag me in the chat if you know your Discord name, and I'll message you. Or you can try to message me too, but... And guys, sign up for My Funded Futures. You guys get those. So I'm going to need your My Funded Futures email. So if you win, so yeah, guys. You know, must be eligible to trade with My Funded Futures. So I'm going to need your My Funded Futures email if you win. Those are the accounts we're giving away tonight. 50K rapid plans. So those are the daily payout accounts. Right now, you get that promo going on. Under $100. Use code PINE. Limited to 2 per customer. So please use my code. I appreciate that. All right, we're getting a little bear flag break again here. Take a look at gold. Gold's popping back up off the inside buy. Oil getting a little pop off the VWAP in inside buy. So really, really good. I kind of wish I just, you know, tomorrow night when I go to trade just oil, you watch. Like I'll just trade oil, and we'll get kabooshed. But man, it's been red hot. You know, the thing about markets, they change, patterns change, and thanks for everyone that's been joining the giveaway, joining the Discord. Here's the Discord link again. Love to see my Discord get bigger and start popping off. I'd love to see 24 hours of chatting in there. You know, hopefully there's no trolls and everyone's being friendly, but I'd love to see 24 hours of chatting like we do in some of the other Discords. So that would be great. If anyone has any suggestions, you know, go ahead and say it in the Discord chat as far as, you know, what to do in the Discord. But oil's kaboosh kaboom machine. It really is, Fred. So it's funny when they were talking about that on stream today, when Luke was saying, has anyone trade oil? And I have a feeling I know why, because they're looking at people like, oh, people are getting kabooshed and kaboomed pretty good. Same thing as what with gold and silver. People are doing it with oil now. So gold and silver kind of tamed down a little bit. It's a little bit more tame. All right, making another leg down here in the old Nasdaq. Share charts on Discord and give reactions. All right, here we go. We're getting that push down here. So full gap fill down here would be that the 700 levels for the full gap fill. If we fill this gap and it puts in a nice reversal candle, that'll be a nice, perhaps long, Sean Solo. Oh, okay, I got you. Awesome. What a trade, guys. Right? And it all just came from looking left. Just knowing what was... I mean, we're not gonna mess around now. I mean, we're gonna at least move our stop to some profits. Trail our stop. That's 100 points during Globex, which is a really nice trade. Let's lock in a little bit of profit. Buy your evals for the bounce. That's right. Get your evals with code PINE and get ready for the bounce. Not financial advice. That's right, Coach Red. Guys, we're going to do another My Funded Futures Rapid Account giveaway. Another one. Guys, please put exclamation point in the chat. Also, Apex still running their 90% off sale. So you got your 90 for another day. I got a message saying they extended it for at least another day. So I think that's what it says. Let me check my message here. Well, it's right around 85%. Not quite 90%, but extended till midnight tonight. Use code PINE. If you guys are trading with my Take Profit, all of them, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, or Apex, but Apex, then use code PINE. I think we locked in a pretty nice payout. Come on, getting that cabooshin'. Now I wish I would have just held my Apex accounts for this whole thing instead of getting out for 125. But I could be honest with you, when I copy trade all those accounts, I get a little nerve-wracking. It gets nerve-wracking still. I try to trade them pretty small, so it doesn't really affect me. But when you get in the drawdown by 180 bucks, you're like, oh man, especially when you're right over the payout buffer, it still affects me. I still get anxious. I don't so much get anxious until I get over the buffers on these accounts, Let's see. Yeah, Godwin, I messaged you back. I just need your My Funded Futures email. So I messaged you back. Worst part is trying to keep the giveaways in keep them all together. Because I have to email back My Funded Futures and let them know and I give it to the affiliates. All right. When you do giveaways with Lucid and stuff, they give you an actual code, which is nice. Because then you just give the code out, and then you don't have to go do the email back and forth route. So hopefully more of the prop firms do that when they do the giveaways. But we appreciate it anyway. We appreciate all the free accounts. Any of you guys buying any of those rapids and trying to get daily payouts, My Funded Futures? I got one right here I'm working on. I got a rapid account right here. I actually paid for this one though. I paid for this one. Did today, Miss K. Let's go. Hope you guys get it. Coop, use code Pine. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's a pretty good plan. I like it, and yeah, I mean, if you can just get, if you think about it like this, you get those rapid accounts, you get 5 of them, you get 5 TPTs, you get 3 trade days for daily payouts. Woo! Copy trade those together, and once you're over the buffer, you could just trade 2-3 micro. You could trade micros like this, you know, like 1 micro up $200 times all those accounts. That's a big daily payout. What's the news? Look at oil. Oh man, oil's just taking off. Yeah, I don't know what the news is, but I have a feeling that if oil keeps pumping, Nasdaq's gonna keep dropping. Oh, we're gonna be a dick for a tick here. Let's lock in some gains. Let's lock in 105 points right here. Maybe it wants to keep going down to 720s. I'm locking in 105 points. Let's see if it stops me out, so be it. But it might get a little death candle here. Take it to 0, trail to stop. Yeah, I know. Guys are gonna do another giveaway here soon. All right, we're stopped out. Wow, what a trade. 105 points. Not bad. Not bad. Let's go back to... Let's do another moose race. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Give you guys just a second. We'll do another one. All right, closing entries here. Let's do it. What a nice trade, guys. 105 points. I'll take that all day. We just locked in a pretty good size My Funded Future, Apex payout. If I choose to take it, I'm gonna have to think about it. All right, guys, let's do another race for My Funded Futures rapid account, 50K. Great account to get, right? Because when you pass it, you don't even have to there's no activation fees, so it's completely free. Let's go. Good luck. Susino, thank you so much for the sub. Appreciate the new subs tonight, guys. Thank you to the new members. We will do a members only race here as well. Adam K on the outside. Who's it going to be? 10 seconds left. NGL Futures pushing for that lead. But someone's a bully and just, out of nowhere. Divergence Master. Oh, Donna H in third. So close. Divergence Master. Are you here? Oh, let's go. Divergence Master is here. You did not win, Jeremy Kent. Not this time, but there's always a chance. Message, are you on Discord, Divergence? There's my Discord link in the chat. If you're on Discord, you write your name down here. On Divergence. Direct to me, yeah. Yeah. What's your Discord handle name? Discord link right in the chat, right there. All right, cool. I got you. Cool. Just need your My Funded Futures email. Just message me that, and we'll go from there. Guys, that is 3. So pretty awesome, right? 3 giveaways. Let's do one more. I'll give you guys like maybe like 2 minutes. Exclamation point pine in the chat, and then we're gonna do a members only one. We're gonna do a members only giveaway, and I'm gonna do a members only giveaway. We're gonna do more than one in the future. So like tomorrow night, when I stream, we'll do another one too. So give back to the members. I love my members onlys. Market's pushing down, guys. Caught a nice move. You know, we didn't make a ton of money, but we played it safe. Caught the right move. Caught 105 points. Can't complain about that. And we finally filled the gap. So I'm very, very happy that we caught most of this gap fill that I've been trying to short to fill for like days. It seems like forever. So finally caught it, and that makes me happy. Now, do we fill this gap down here and then get a massive bounce? That's the question. Or do we keep pushing down? We have this untested zone way down here. Right at 24,000 even on the NQ, where we bounced over 1,000 points the other day. So another 700 points away, 750 points away. It's possible. I mean, we bounced that. We bounced it, so it is possible. Redemption is sweet, Nate. Redemption is sweet. Oh, thank you, Peter. Yeah. Well, it does have intraday trailing, Peter, unfortunately, when you get funded. So it kind of works that way as well. Take Profit Trader is end of day until you get funded, and so is in My Funded Futures. The only true one right now is Trade Day. Use code PINE if you're PINE with a capital P if you're picking up any Trade Day accounts. But yeah, thank you so much for using my code, though. Still a good account, and we can get over that intraday trailing, no problem. We just scalp. We just scalp and trail the stop. We're good. End of day is great, but my personal view on Trade Day, I think they're a great company. So they do have, oh, Heather with a membership. I've gotten a handful of payouts with them. They pay pretty quickly. You can't make as much with them as far as like in a single day. So let's just say you have you catch a nice winner, so you get their day one payout. You can't go and make like 10 grand on that account on one day. Take Profit Trader, but I mean with Trade Day, with Take Profit Trader, you can make up to 10K in one day. And before they lock you out, with Trade Day, it's right around 5K, and you have to you go under review. So that's how they protect their account, their firm, right? They actually will move you in alive pretty quickly. So that's the thing with Trade Day. So they're not as about the sim farming as much as say like Take Profit Trader, but still a really good company. And it's end of day, so you got end of day accounts, and you have static accounts that you can choose from. So plus they send me a mug. They sent me a sweet coffee mug the other day. Trade Day did. So how about that? Oh, you misread, Peter? Yeah. Sorry that you misread it, but it's still a great account. I mean, it's still a good account. If you could trade 5 live, yeah. That would be sweet. Not really sure how that shows the mug. Oh, it's actually at my other place, Fiber Splice. Let me see. I do have a picture of it somewhere. Oh, maybe I don't have the picture either. I took a picture of it. Let me check. Yeah, I don't have the picture of it, but yeah, it's pretty sweet. Well, you know what I want is one of those signs. Love Trade Day. My second payout from a firm came from them. Let's go, Chris Castle. All right, guys, let's do a giveaway. Close entries. Giveaway number 4. Giveaway number 4. We're gonna do more, guys. Not today, maybe, but we're definitely gonna do more in the future. I have more accounts. I've been on the horn, begging. All right, guys. Good luck to you. This is for a 50K rapid account. Let's go. Shuffling the characters. Good luck. All right, we got Donna H on the outside. Can Donna win this time? She was in the top 3 on the last race. I think she took some stem cells. I don't know. Got a little juice going. Who's it gonna be? 5 seconds. And wow, someone really hit the boost and held on to that. Oh, OMHV, so close. Second place, OMH. But we got Ari HG in first place. Ari HG 8449. So close. Are you here, Ari? Yes. How do I get it? You have to are you on the Discord? I gotta connect with you. I'm gonna need your My Funded Futures email. Ba 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 ba. What's the max payout on Rapid? What is the max payout on Rapid? I should know, right? I don't really know. Well, I think it's 10,000 in a single net profit day. So same with Take Profit Trader, and that's automatic live transition. So it's 10,000 in one day. So yeah, 10,000 in one day. Besides that, I don't really know what the max would be. But yeah, it's 10,000 in one day, one trading day. Anything over that, you forfeit. So it's the same as Take Profit Trader. Guys, getting a little bouncy here. 732. Hey, thank you, Ryan. Oh, that's all right, guys. We're gonna do plenty more giveaways, guys. Sleepy Mocha with the membership. All right, let's do a members only race. So, guys, I gotta go. Guys, thank you for being here. I really appreciate it. This has been a big stream. I know we're doing giveaways, but I'm here every single night. Globex Open. We made 100. Not only did we give away 4 accounts so far, we caught 105 points on Nasdaq. Can't complain about that. I'll also be on tomorrow. We're gonna do that members only giveaway next, but I'm also gonna be on tomorrow. My Funded Futures TV at 10 a.m. and I'm on there every single day. And also next week at one point, I'm going to take over on Methodical Man's spot too, just for a day to cover his spot. So guys, find me on My Funded Futures TV, help support me on that channel. The more viewers I get over there, the less likely they fire my ass. So come over there in the mornings, but I'm here every single night, Sunday through Thursday, most of the time for the Globex Open. Thank you for using code PINE. I'm going to switch over to members only now in the chat so I can do a members only giveaway. Thank you so much, guys. We're going to do more giveaways too in the upcoming streams. So don't leave. I'm not leaving if you guys want to hang out for a bit, but I got to switch to members only in the chat. So members only in the chat. And here we go. Exclamation point PINE in the chat for the members only. Members only. Good chance of winning this one. Oh, we got some good members here. That's good. Give you guys just a minute here. Guys, do me a favor and smash that like button if you haven't left yet. Appreciate that. All right, we got 16 of you in here so far. It's pretty good odds. What are we gonna do? We're gonna do something different for the members only, just for fun. Let's do a oh, we can do that. We can do this. It's getting to be that time of the year. Do the leprechaun race. All right, that should be everyone, right? Late to the party, yeah. All right, let's do this race here. Good luck. Yeah, TJP, we caught 105 points on that dump, so pretty happy, pretty psyched about that. All right, guys, good luck to you. Members only. Oh, they're chasing the pot of gold. Chasing the pot of gold. I can put my pine tree trader hat back on. Take off this moose race hat. I'm gonna pause the music because that probably is like a copyright thing. We get the copyright. Come on, leprechauns. Here we go. Who's it gonna be? It's for a 50K rapid. Whoa, it's gonna be a tight race. Who drank enough Guinness to get over the whoa, Bodine out of nowhere. Oh, got the pot of gold. Let's go, Bodine. Guys, let's do another one for the members only. How about that? Congratulations, Bodine. We're just giving away accounts. No big deal. Let's do another one. TJP outdoor lead. An early lead. TJP was just chugging that pint of Guinness. Getting ramped up. Who's the winner gonna be this time? I should have shuffled the characters, but oh, Digital Nukes out to a lead here, 17 seconds. Can he hold it? He's pulling away. He's pulling away. Digital Nukes. Oh no, Meta Risk. Out of nowhere. Out of Meta Risk. Wow. Oh, Meta Risk. TJP ran out of gas. Yeah. Oh no, Digital Nukes. You almost took it. We'll do more. We'll do more in the future, guys. Thank you so much. Back to everyone in the chat. If you guys want to keep chatting, congratulations to the two winners there, MetaRisk and Bodine. If you guys can join, if you guys are in the Discord, that's great. So MetaRisk, let's see. Let me just gotta take care of this here, make sure I get the right people, and then I'm gonna call it a night. Go back and do it again tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna send the Discord link right now. Here's the Discord link again. Thanks, His Royal. Thanks, guys. Thank you, AOKO. Yeah, if guys picking up any of those My Funny Futures accounts, use code PINE. Appreciate it, of course. There's a Discord link. You're in Discord. Archulways. Okay. Archulways. Bodine, what is your Discord the same? Is it Bodine? Fred. It's pretty much iTrades. Pretty much, yeah. It's very, very similar. Yep. Very, very similar. So a little bit of a differences, but RE60. Okay, cool. And Bodine, what is your? Let's see. All right, Bodine, I got you. All right, guys. That's gonna do it for me tonight. Thank you so much for being here. Stay tuned for the outro music, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning on My Funny Futures TV. All right. Take care. Trade safe, and all that good stuff. Use code PINE. Appreciate you. And I'll message all the winners on Discord. Appreciate it. And I'll get the email sent out to My Funny Futures, and we'll do more giveaways too in the future. Peace.
Trader, charts lit, wrist tight, inside bars only. Let's work.
I'm trading in the pies, futures on the screen, prop firm capital. capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar break, way patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk of fine, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Wake up pre-market, NY session on. Levels from the overnight, buyers ready drawn. Inside bar forming, volume going quiet. That's the market talking, telling me be patient. AQ moving fast, ES play it smooth. YM respect the highs, let the candle choose. Prop firm rules, yeah, we play it right. One trade a day, still we done by noon. No gambling, this chestnut dice. RR clean, that's the pine tree life. They chasing candles, I'm chilling in the zone, waiting on the break, then I'm gone. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar break, way patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk to find, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Yeah, funded to live, that's a different feel. Trade, they take profit, apex on the deal. Evaluation passed, now it's payout talk. While they blowing accounts, we taking walks. Inside bar at key high, that's pressure building. Yeah, break off the range, yeah, that's conviction. Yeah, no indicators clutter in my sight. Just price action, structure candlelight. Chat yelling long, I mute that noise. Market don't care about opinions, boy. One clean setup, that's all I need. Small losses, big wins, consistency. Slow grind, fast life. Charts don't lie, cut losses quick, let winners ride. Funded accounts, yeah, that's the plan. Side bar break, executed. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund a dream. Inside bar break, way patient and I lean. One candle tell me